When you know you're going to be encountering different types of trailers with different hitch connections, you'll want to make certain that you have the capability of hauling any of them. Wouldn't you feel better about making one purchase for a kit that includes everything you need and more? I'm Elle Rottinghouse. In this Zips 360 feature of the day, it's the Zips heavy-duty Underreach towing system that provides tow operators the versatility and flexibility to tow a variety of trailers with their Underreach. The adapter works with all devices. It's a rectangular main tube with 3/4 inch plated steel, welded construction, oblong loop handles, and retaining pins with a cable lanyard for each. This fits directly into the fork receivers and allows an operator to use several attachments to make their truck do more. This adapter comes with each individual part if purchased separately, but Zips provides all you need in a master kit, saving you a good deal of money. The Gooseneck trailer adapter is often used with campers, livestock trailers, and some flatbed trailers. Zips has a unique gooseneck adapter design unlike any other, allowing 360 degrees of unobstructed motion for turning. The Pintle hook is used for towing trailers that are equipped with a lunette ring. This spring-loaded hitch comes with a safety pin for extra assurance. The fifth wheel attachment secures a trailer that's being towed and makes hookup a breeze as you can adjust the height using your Underreach. Take note that this fifth wheel attachment is designed to tow empty trailers only. The kingpin attachment is made to be securely inserted into the fifth wheel plate jaws of a road tractor when performing a tow from the rear. The main adapter must be inserted into the receivers upside down and secured with the 2 retaining pins. These retaining pins are much stronger than they look, with a capacity of 10,000 pounds each, with a 3-to-1 safety factor. The Master Kit includes all of the towing system products together. When you buy the Master Kit, instead of purchasing individual parts at separate times, you save more than half the cost of the Master Kit price. Just like any product, you can probably find it made by a different manufacturer, but Zips heavy-duty Underreach towing system has better pricing and with a new product designed to make life easier for heavy-duty operators. Any given part will be compatible with the others even if they're purchased years apart. Shop this and more towing accessories at zips.com.